Hey guys, here at Easton Town Center, Columbus, Ohio, in the new prototype for Altered State. We are standing in the colonnade area right now, and we're just admiring all of the formation that's taken place here in the store from an architectural standpoint.
So we really want the Altered State brand to be infused into every piece of this store. So it's custom wall fixtures, custom floor fixtures, some custom furniture, wall coverings, lighting fixtures, and with that we're having to collaborate with our amazing vendors that are kind of helping this come to reality.
We'll be moving into more of like a lounge seating area. So think of it a little bit as retail meeting a little bit of a hospitality vibe. So we really want to bring this story together for the client to want to come to the space and experience it.
And then also, speaking of hospitality, when you turn around, that's where the guest checkout area is going to be, and it's, you know, we're looking at like a whole new type of concierge pod to kind of rethink the retail checkout experience.
So this is the entry point to our fitting rooms, and what we really wanted to do with this area is create a focal point for the entire store and a draw for customers from the sales floor and into the fitting rooms. And to do this, we're creating, with our local vendor Cobalt, a really beautiful sunray portal that's going to exist here, and we're really excited to see that come to life.
There's going to be a really big digital focal back here that is the brand's large space to talk about all of their give back efforts and really tell the customer a little bit more about the brand, but it's also going to act as a beacon, working with the Sunray portal to draw customers back into this amazing experience.
So then as you're moving through the portal, we wanted to create a feeling of compression release. So you're moving out from a really grand, open, airy space into something that's a little bit more private. The ceilings are a little bit lower in here, and we wanted to create more intimate space for people to try on their clothing.
And you'll notice that also, you know, the doors are really large, right? They're taller than the average door, which is really creating a like larger than life sense of scale, which we have going on the outside as well, but still feeling really intimate.
They have lines out the door for fitting rooms on their really busy days, so we wanted to make sure that we included some ancillary points of exit for them throughout the spaces. So within each of these rooms, there's going to be a secondary point of exits for customers to kind of flow in one direction from the sales floor into fitting and then back out onto the sales floor to make their purchases.
It's been really incredible seeing this space go from our concept works, renderings, development drawings, to seeing it now in real life. It's super exciting. We're really excited for the store to open, and we can't wait to share more with you.